Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the market is in a standstill. We're pretty much in a consolidation phase from the last 2 to 3 days, and we're not able to see any crazy momentum. This is probably a good time that you want to look for some tokens, especially altcoins, which are just starting off, so you can get into them early. Especially right now, meme coins, we all know, are doing some big numbers. You guys know WIF, Bonk, Flocky, everything is in the green. Well, let me show you guys a token which has just begun. So this could be the earliest opportunity that you can actually get using this token. And the one I'm talking about is DOGE. Now, if you do not know anything about this token, first of all, let me tell you something important. This is in a pre-sale stage. Only 268,000 has been raised. Just to give you perspective, if this token even just makes it to a 10 million market cap, your money is going to be 50x. That should give you a little bit of perspective how much potential this token has, and especially how early you are. Now, if you do want to purchase this, the price right now is going to be 0.005 cents. What is this token? First of all, DOGE is a mobile-based play-to-earn game that transforms iconic Doge meme into a style virtual pet, embraces the 90s nostalgia, buy play tokens in pre-sale to enjoy the classic 2D adventure. Now, thriving is its own 8-digit digital world. Play your pay-to-earn companion still needs care, attention, just like a dog. Feed, train, play with your 2D dog, guide it through its mini games, and earn play tokens to be treated with your best friend. Now, the download will be coming very soon once the game is actually being developed and everything is perfect. At the same time, this could be your early time to buy into this token, because in the future, once the game is released and once the token is released, obviously a lot more people are going to be trying to play this to allow for a play to earn. Now, keep in mind, this has been a big industry. Not just a meme token, but play to earn tokens are very big. And keep in mind, they have also been featured in Binance Square, TradingView, CoinDocs. There is so much more to come. Now, game features. Now, DOGE is a mobile game that interacts with the legendary virtual pet concept, and as you can see, this is an idea of how the game is going to look like. You can pretty much, play the game, you can send the dog to do other things, and the features, you will be able to move the dog, pet it, and at the same time go on adventures. So the game is going to be very interesting, and this is going to bring back a lot of nostalgia with all of the people who are over 20. Now, the game is also got a very good roadmap, because you can see the phase 1 is get the audit contracted. Pre-sale starts, social activation, and initial marketing push. Then the app dev starts, pre-sale ends, and the DEX token launch is being done. So right now we're still in phase 1. There's going to be minigame beta, and finally full minigames will be launching. Talking about the audit, if you just go over here and look at the audit has no problems with this token. If I just go all the way at the bottom, you guys can see that all the problems, there is literally nothing. No critical, no high, no medium, no low. If you decide to keep going down, you can also see how it is being put together. So 50% of the tokens are going to be going to the pre-sale, 20% to the community rewards, 11% to liquidity, 20% to marketing, 6% to staking, and 12% to project funds. At the same time, if you want to purchase this, it's actually very simple to do so. You simply just go on the top, connect your wallet, select the USDT that you want to convert to this token. So let's say $5, that's going to give you 1,000 tokens. You can simply hold on to it, or you can go into the staking option, and then you guys will be able to stake it for 2,100% return per annum. Keep in mind, the return is so big right now, but as more and more people are going to be staking token, the return will be making a dip. Talking about their Twitter, it's still very early, only 170 followers, but it is verified, and their reach is pretty good with 2,000 views for only 160 followers. That's a pretty good reach for a token. Talking about their Telegram, they have about 130 subscribers. So as I mentioned, it's really early into this token, but at the same time, they have a very good idea of where they want to go with this token. Their simple idea is to create a game which will be play to earn. More people play to earn, the token is going to be more popular. If you do want to check it out, the link will be in the description. Other than that, thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you did enjoy it. Drop a like on it, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you soon.